Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make cream cheesecake. Preheat the oven to 325 degrees F and press the crust into a springform pan, then chill briefly. Beat cream cheese until silky, add sugar, eggs, and sour cream in stages, scraping the bowl between additions. Pour batter over crust and bake gently to avoid cracks. Cool slowly, chill overnight for best sliceable texture, and unmold before serving. Start with a simple crust. Combine crushed graham crackers, melted butter, and a pinch of salt, then press evenly into a springform pan. For the filling, beat cream cheese until silky and lump-free, then add sugar gradually and scrape the bowl often. Add eggs one at a time to maintain texture, then fold in sour cream and vanilla until homogeneous. Pour over chilled crust and smooth the top. Bake the cake at low temperature to reduce cracking and promote even doneness, ideally in a water bath to add gentle, consistent heat. Check for a slight jiggle in the center when done. It will set as it cools. Remove from oven and cool at room temperature for about an hour, then refrigerate for at least 4 hours or overnight for best slicing. Run a knife around the pan before unmolding.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.